In front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by tapping on Clock widget or by selecting Clock app. Either way, when you're ready, use this alarm icon at the bottom left corner to access this section of Clock app. And before creating new alarm, use those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and manage all of those under Alarms however you want to, like Silence After. Then go back and use this plus at the bottom to create a new alarm. First of all, set up an hour and then hit OK to save it. Now manage all of those options however you want to. At the top, select Label and save it by clicking OK. Then pick Days of the Week by tapping on the chosen ones, so sorry misclick. And to exclude some dates, use this plus next to Pause Alarm. Then pick a date. Select OK at the bottom right corner. And click on bell icon. Now you can decide if you wish to use one of those sound platforms, like in this case YouTube Music. Log in and use music from it. If you wish to select Sound section and tap on Add New to pick any song from your device, or if you want to just pick one of those sounds by tapping on the perfect one. Then use those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine to manage those options. And finally, when you're ready, hide all of those settings by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created and adjusted. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click at the top right corner and change whatever you want to. To get rid of your alarm, click at the top right corner of it again and select Delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!